Hi, this is Andy Wood with Titan Home Lending. I've specialized in renovation loans for 25 years doing FHA 203K and Fannie Mae Homestyle. One of the things we come across quite a bit as we're doing homes is some homes are located in historic districts, no matter what the town. It could be city of Tampa, Miami, it could be Orlando. There are certain areas in Florida, and the home might be designated in a historic district. It's important to know that you want to go to the city, to the construction services department, and find out what the specifications are to restore a home in these areas. In Tampa, it's called the ARC, or Architectural Review Commission, which will have to approve every single permit. So they want to make sure when you're restoring the house, if you have a metal roof, you have to go back and put a metal roof on. You cannot put a shingle roof on. When you're doing siding, you must make sure that you're going to do the same type of siding that was already there. If it had wood siding, they're going to make you pull the wood siding off or repair the old wood siding. The same thing with the windows and the style of the home. So keep in mind when doing a renovation, if you're inside any special historic district, you might want to check with the city and the construction services department to find out what the needs are for that particular neighborhood. My name is Andy Wood with Titan Home Lending. Thanks so much for checking in.